Hello dear students, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video we will see class 10th essay 1 English question paper, full question paper of class 10th English. Okay, so watch full video and share this video with your dear friends, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you want to download this question paper PDF in your mobile, so just go on Google and type arfindia.com, where all the PDFs and answer key also available. So you can just go and download your PDFs. Okay, so section A, which is a multiple choice question. Here 20 questions are given and each questions have four optional question. Okay, so four options also available. So this is your first question: a letter to God was written by. Okay, this is your second question, and answer key also included in this video, so watch all the video. Okay, what was Lencho waiting for? Okay, this is your options. And the third is, in dust of snow, what changed the poet's mood? Okay, the next is fire and ice deals with. And the next is question number fifth, which is, who cut Tricky in a trump of surgery? Okay, Mandela spent how many years in prison? The seventh is, the poem A Tiger in the Zoo conveys. And the eighth is, the thief's story teaches us. Okay, the next is, the diary of Anne Frank expresses. Okay, here options A, B, C, and D. Amanda is written by. Okay, so who is the writer of the Amanda? The poem Fog uses. And the next is, the story Footprints Without Feet is about. And the 13 is, the author of Glimpses of India includes. Okay, next is, Madam Writes the Bus is written by. Okay, and the next is, in the trees the poet imagines trees. The next is, the sermon 8 Benares was delivered by. Okay, and for any Gregory conveys that. The question number 18 is, the poet of the ball poem is. Here your options A, B, C, and D. The Midnight Visitor is a story of. Okay, and the next is, the character Tricky is a, which is option cat, dog, monkey, and rabbit. Okay, so the next section is vocabulary and grammar, section B, which is fully 10 marks. Okay, here your questions. Here 5 questions, each question carries 2 marks. Okay, so 21 questions is, fill in the blanks with correct forms of verbs. Okay, she does go to school every day. They dash complete their work yesterday. Here give a verb form, so you have to fill the correct form of verbs. Okay, in the blanks. Combine the pair of sentence using although. He was tired, he went to work. Okay, combine sentence with this word. Change into passive voice. The sentence is given and you have to change the passive voice. Okay, the teacher teaches English. And the 24 question is, correct the error in the following sentence. So you have to find out the error. He don't like mangoes. Okay, fill in the blank with the correct preposition. He is found reading novels. Okay, blank reading novels. So you have to fill the correct preposition. Okay, in the blank. Section C is short answer type questions. Here 15 marks questions are given and 5 questions are given. So each questions carries 3 marks. Okay, so you have to answer do with 3-4 sentence each questions. Okay, so 26 is, what is the theme of A Letter to God? 27 is, how did Mandela define courage? 28 is, what message does Dust of Snow convey? The 29 is, describe the character of Mrs. Pumphrey. Okay, what lesson does the thief's story teach? And the next is, what are the trees doing in the poem? The section D is comparison unseen and seen passages, which is 20 marks. Okay, so here 4 questions are given, each question carries 5 marks. Okay, so which is most important. So this is your unseen passages given and the related questions are given there, 32 to 35. Okay, so this is your fully question. And scene extract poem also given, fire and rice related to. And the questions are given, what does fire stand for and what does ice represent and what is the tone of the poem. And the 39 is, write the central idea to and 3 lines Fire and Ice, about Fire and Ice. Okay, poem. The long answer type questions are given. Answer any 5, each carries 8 marks. Okay, so this is a most variable part where 40 marks are carries. Okay, so this is your 14th question. Question 40 is describe Lancho's faith in God and the irony of the story. Okay, so explain how a triumph of surgery is both funny and touching. This is optional question. The 41 is write a character sketch of Nelson Mandela, and the optional is how does the poem A Tiger in the Zoo contrast with the wild and the caged tiger. Okay, question number 42 is how did Hari Singh change by the end of the thief's story? And the optional B is explain how Ozibel's intelligence helped him in the Midnight Visitor. Question number 43 also that what is the message of the Seaman of Benares? Okay, how does the trees reflect freedom and renewal? Okay, the 44 is summarize the story Madam writes in the bus. Madam writes the bus in your own words. Okay, explain how footprints without feet shows the misuse of science. Misuse of science. Okay, the 45 is describe the main idea of the poem for Annie Georgery. And the optional question is what message does the ball poem giving to young readers give to young readers. Okay, section F is creative writing, functional English. Okay, here 10 marks questions is given. Write a letter to your friend describing your plans for the Diwali holidays. Okay, write a diary entry about your feelings on scoring well in your exams. The 47 is prepare 10 interview questions to ask a doctor about maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Okay, and optional question is write a short paragraph 100 words on the importance of reading books. So this is your 47 fully question marks. So then answer key of MCQ section A is given. Okay, the 20 questions answer is here. Okay, so you can note down this is answers. Section B is answers 21 to 25. Okay, this is your answers, note down in your notebook. Section C is 26 to 31 answers are given. Okay, this is your answers, so note. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe also. Okay, and for real PDF search arfindia.com where all the PDFs answer key also available. So section D answers, this is your section D answers. Okay, and the section E is the clarity and expression. Okay, so this is your fully answers of class 10th English. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe also, and share this video with all your friends. Okay, so we will meet in next video. Thanks for watching. If you want to download essay 1 question papers full solution and answer key also, so you can just go on Google and type arfindia.com essay 1 question paper of class 9th. And if you want to download all the class and question papers, so you can just type your class and question paper also. Okay, just type arfindia.com essay 1 question papers 2025 9th class Telugu and other subjects. You want to download your class and subjects, you can just type your class and also subjects. Okay, and then click the search button and the next page is open. Here you can see arfindia.com essay 1 question papers 2025 class 10th 9th 6th to 6th 7th and 8th also. Okay, and just click the websites and all the PDFs are, and you can also download and join Telegram channel. And this is your question papers of summative assessment term 1. Okay, this is your all the question papers and you can download all the class and question papers.